Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS so you adjust the right path. This matters because menu names vary. Once done, charge above 20% and temporarily disable screen lock to test changes safely. Next, open settings and use the search bar for words like gestures, motions, or accessibility so you land directly on the controls that manage backtouch actions. Make sure to note the current state so you can revert if needed. You now locate the specific setting labeled Back Tap, Edge Touch, or Quick Gestures. Different manufacturers use different names, which is why you confirmed the model. Once found, inspect assigned actions and specifically remove or replace the screenshot command with none or another harmless action. After changing, force close any apps that monitor gestures, and, if needed, reboot to ensure the system service reloads the new configuration. Doing this prevents accidental screenshots from residual bindings. You finish by testing the change with the same taps that caused screenshots. Try varied spots and pressures to confirm removal. If the screenshot still appears, make sure no third-party apps have accessibility permission to capture gestures. Revoke those permissions and test again. As a final step, reset gesture settings to defaults or install pending system updates, since firmware bugs can reinstate behaviors. If problems persist, a targeted factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.